Tomorrow will come and girl, I can't wait. It's my anniversary. Anniversary. It's my Locaversary. So we are gonna get into this visual recap. I'm just gonna insert some video clips and pictures and stuff and take you guys along the journey. Look at my babies. I just dyed my hair on Friday. I will have a video for the hair dye process. Just make sure that you subscribe so you can check that out when it comes out. Let me just give you guys a quick look of the girls. As you can see by my face, I am super excited, super happy. I said today is gonna be as beautiful as my locks, you know. Gotta have a great day. So you guys the girls, look at the babies, 2 years. People ask me sometimes if I miss my first set of locks, and I say no. Because why when I have these? Why? There's no need for me to be stuck in the past. Damn, you guys, I would have just had a 6-year Locaversary back in December if I was still on my first set. But I'm not. So, cheers to 2. What we gonna do? Yeah, let's get into this visual. You all right down there? Are you okay? You okay? All right. I think the time has actually come for this journey to end. Oh, I don't even sound right saying that. That's it. April 17th, 2021, I sat my ass down and I struggled to start these locks. I don't know how to part. All I'm good for is a retwist, honestly, when it comes to hair. Just got it done, and here we are 2 years later, and they are beautiful as ever. Let me just insert this in here really quick, you guys, just because I want you guys to know. I know some people are very interested in their locks being completely uniform. They want a certain look and they want what they want. But I am here to show you guys and to always tell you guys that you don't have to be perfect. Things do not have to be perfect in order for them to be worth it, in order for them to be beautiful. Nobody ever looks at my locks and say,
damn, them parts are crooked as hell. Oh, you look like you started those on your own. That's not a good thing.
I get nothing but love, and I don't retwist perfectly. I don't know if I can show you guys any parts now. I'll probably do like a part tour one day, that way you guys can see, but like, who's gonna see your parts? Honestly, unless you have certain styles, like y'all be stressed out about parts, like somebody can see that every day. They can't. This is probably the best up top here, but in the back, I don't know if you guys can see anything. I'll have to do a part tour. I have some parts that ended up being like a weird triangle shape. I got some that are a skinny ass rectangle. I got squares. I got it all. I got it all. So the lock journey can be as effortless as you want it to be. Okay? So just keep that in mind, you guys. And yeah, enjoy the video.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2. Pick it. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2, step 2. Pick it, baby girl.
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again if I hesitate to let you in? Now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? First you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again.
I'm gonna start this video off with a shout out. And I'm gonna shout out myself for making it to this 5 months.
You into me, but I can't let it go so easily. Not till I see what this could be eternity or just a week. We know our chemistry is off the chain. It's perfect now, but will it change? This ain't a yes, this ain't a no. Just do your thing, we'll see how it goes. First you don't succeed, yeah. Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. So first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again, try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again. What about the next day? I said you don't wanna throw it all away. You bugging on the first day. What about the next day? And if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, and try again, try again. And try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, and try again. If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, baby, try again, try again, again, again.
We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two.
Don't succeed. Then dust yourself off and try again. Dust it off and try again, try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again.
It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two. Step two, step two, step two, step two. One more again. The new millennium, baby. And we out. You guess who it is.
support and everything that you do for me, and just being here, the way that you guys are always here.